Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to schedule send an email on Outlook in the year 2026 web-based using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Office 365. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this. Wait for that to load. And once it is loaded, now let's go directly to Outlook.com. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to brand new email. Let's now select the recipient. Rayhan at ComputerScienceVideos.com. Let's now add the subject, which will be trial email. Go within the email, Dear CSV. I hope that this email finds you well. Kind regards from the admin. And now what we would do is click on send, but we want to now click on the arrow that points towards the bottom of the screen in order for us to then get the options send, schedule send, start, merge mail. Click on schedule send. This will then bring up a couple of options which will allow us to either send tomorrow, or let's just click on a customized time, which will be the 31st, and we want to send this at 7:40, which is in the next minute or two. Let's now click on send. So this email was scheduled to be sent at 7:40. This email itself has now been moved to the draft section. Let's click on this, and there we have it. We are now waiting for this to send. Once it has been sent, it will then end up in the sent section. So let's now give it a minute or two. Let's now go to the sent items, and here we have it. An email that was scheduled, sent, has now been sent. That says, Dear CSV, I hope that this email finds you well. Kind regards from the admin. Created 2 minutes before being actually sent via schedule send. We can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.